our video. Today we have another 5 English to play. 5 English word to play in the puzzle game, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you can read the first word is
User.
And
Say
second?
with me. User.
And the
Caterpillar. Say with me. Caterpillar.
Number 3.
Gorilla. Say with me
Gorilla.
again. Gorilla.
Number 4.
Ladybug. Say with me again.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Yeah. And number 5.
Hairband. Say with me.
Hairband.
Hairband.
Yeah. So you can spelling the first word.
User. I need to spell J-U-I-C-E-R. User.
Number 2.
Caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R.
And number 3.
Gorilla. G-O-R-I-L-L-A.
Number 4.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
L-A-D-Y-B-U-G.
And the last one is number 5 is
Hairband. Hairband.
hairband. You wearing the hairband too?
It's like to protect our eyes.
Yes.
Or my last time I almost in the hair.
So can you spell it?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
hear. H-A-R-I-R-B-A-N-D. Yeah.
So
Now we found it.
read it. And now you can, and everyone can find the word in the puzzle game with us. So, Sievny, do you see any word already or not yet?
I see hairband already.
So
It's so
now
fast.
you need to.
Can I start down until up?
No, I want you to start from caterpillar first.
Caterpillar.
So you start to find. So you stand here, easy to our viewer can find the word with you also in the puzzle game. Okay?
This is just a ladybug.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So now caterpillar. Let's start from letter
C
C.
until R.
Yeah. So start from C.
Not this one.
C-A-T-E.
R.
R-P-I-L-L-A-R. So
Let's see.
start, find letter C. You move a little bit.
Yeah. This is not it.
Letter C. No.
Maybe it's like this. No, this is just
Yes.
cool.
No more. This one C also.
Yeah.
No. This one C. C-A. I think that's
Yeah, you found it.
Yeah. So please.
We calm down.
Yes. Caterpillar.
It almost an end.
Yes. Correct. Congratulations. Now
Let's be sick.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can we take the red one?
yeah, we take the red one.
Yes.
You open the wrong
Yes.
side. You want to open the ink.
And number 2, I want you to find
Oops.
hairband.
Hairband.
So you can stand here.
No.
Or you can move.
The only one.
You also can
I see.
to find the
H.
word with you.
I see only 2 H.
Where A? Is one A? Is one A?
Yeah, you found it. You already found.
So you can spell it again. Start
H-A-I-R-B-A-N-D. Now let's circle B.
Yes.
Oh, I don't get over
No
it.
need to erasing.
Because
Oh yeah, correct. Wrong. At the moment you are circle wrong. Yes.
actually I'm so hidden. How
So
about
let's take for you
yeah.
this one.
Now let's find ladybug.
Okay, up to you now, ladybug.
Which
Start
one?
from letter L. This one?
No.
No.
This one?
L.
No.
L. No.
This one? No.
Letter L. No. You can move a little bit.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
You also can
I
find the word with you.
I see a bit. Almost there.
Letter L. Lady.
I see user.
User. I see letter L.
No.
A.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
You found so many now.
Yeah, so you can
Yes,
spelling again. L.
Ladybug. Now,
Ladybug. Okay. I take for you.
Yeah. User.
No, I think you already know already. So, I want you to find gorilla.
I know already too.
Gorilla, letter G. Where is letter G? G. This one? No, not correct. G. Another G.
Yeah.
Okay, now you already see it. Let's start from letter G. O. R. I. L. L. A. Gorilla. Yeah.
Look, I over this one.
Yeah. So gorilla, you already find it.
Yeah, I know.
And the last one is
User.
No. User. Start from letter J. Where is user? J.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, this one user.
Okay.
Okay, congratulations to you find all the words. So we have 5 words. For the video is
User. Caterpillar, gorilla, ladybug, hairband.
So
I'm sweating.
you come here and then
Look.
sit with me. Okay, now spelling again for our viewer to learn more.
J
No, now start from the word first.
User. 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 Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Ooh. They always do like this.
So we spelling G.
Gorilla.
And
Ladybug. Ladybug.
And
Hairband.
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 So today we finish finding the English passover.
So let's see if we check. Caterpillar, we check it into O.
Okay.
Yeah, we check it.
Ladybug. Yeah, correct.
Circle is the helper.
And
User. Yeah, we do it.
And
Gorilla. We got it. Hairband.
Yeah,
Got it.
Got it. Okay, come back.
Blue.
So you are and me finish finding the word in the puzzle game today. 5 words. So thank you everyone for watching our video.
Yeah. This is our new videos.
Yeah. So thank you for watching.
When I small, I say cute, and I say really not good.
Yeah. So if you want to any recommend my video is saying something wrong, you can comment us below our video. Okay.
And we're gonna say it back.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. See you again for next video. Don't forget subscribe our
Or like
channel.
or
And
100 like or 200
You
like.
want to get more like?
Yeah, I want it. I want it.
So you need to try to show the English word clearly to them, to our viewer. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.